Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to be a science video on body parts. And I'm going to show you what the body parts look like and show you the spellings to go along with them. So, why don't we go ahead and take a look at that now. So I'm going to show the different parts of the body with this person here. And I'm just going to start with the first word here, which is nose. And I'm just going to draw a line to where the nose is here. So looking here, I can see that the nose is right here. Then I'm going to go right to the other side here for the word mouth. And then I'm going to look at the body part and then draw a line to mouth. Okay, now we got foot. And again, I'm looking here for where it is on this picture, and foot is here. Next word I'm going to do is hip. And I'm going to draw the line here for hip. The next word I'm going to do is leg. And the body part for leg is right here. Okay, now I'm looking at hair. And hair would be right here. Next word here is the word ear. And the body part for ear is located there. The next word I'm going to look at is the word eye. And the body part is right here. For stomach, I'm looking for the body part for stomach, and it's right here. For neck, where's the neck going to be? And well, neck's going to be right here. And then chest, the body part for chest is located here. And hand, where's hand going to be? Well, hand will be right there. And then arm, where is this person's arm at? Well, their arm is right here. And the last word here is shoulder. And shoulder will be located right here. Okay, so I'm just having you do lines to where the body parts go for this part of the video. And for the bonus activity, the exact same thing. You're going to just draw a line, or you can just point to it if you like, showing where each of these body part goes. Now, they're not in the same order as I just showed you. I have rearranged them, so you're going to have to read the word in order to identify the right body part. So again, I'm putting in a little bit of reading and comprehension here by you reading the word, that is, and then locating it here on the body. So that's today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.